Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. Lisa here with Down to Earth Gardening, and I'm so excited today because our display here is really blooming. We brought you our fall bulb planting video in November of last year, November 2022, and it's spring 2023, and we are so happy with the outcome. We switch up this area every year and with every season to give this insurance agency some really nice curb appeal in downtown Putnam. And as we're doing this video here, lots of people are stopping and chatting and commenting on how much everyone really enjoys this display. So I'm just so happy to be able to do this and work with such a great small business here in downtown Putnam and provide such a pretty display for everyone to enjoy. I also have to say that it really warms my heart to hear all of the great feedback from all of you and from all of the people in our little town. I remember last year during prom season, they were doing some photos in the park across the street, and they all ran over here to do their prom photos. So I love doing what I do. I love hearing stories like that. And it just goes to show you, with a lot of planning, you know, this hard work that gardening is really does pay off. So I want to give you a chance to have a little tour here. You will see that some of the tulip blooms here have faded a little bit, and then others are really shining right now. So we're really trying to extend the spring bulb flowering season by staggering our bloom time. And then we've also added some cute little pansies around the edge, which you may remember from our pansy shopping video this spring. It's the Delta Mix Shades of Pink. I know the irrigation was just started up, so they're suffering a little bit, but pansies are so hardy, and they are going to pop back with this nice, cool, rainy spring weather that we're getting this weekend. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really hope you enjoyed this as much as I do. Happy spring, happy gardening, and thanks so much for subscribing for our channel. If you like this video, tap like, and if you haven't subscribed, please do, and come on and have some fun with us.